Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your windshield wipers on a Nissan Xterra. First, you'll lift the wiper blade gently. The Xterras have a J-hook on the wiper arm. To release the wiper blade, look for the tab where it connects to the hook. Press the tab on both sides and slide the blade down and out of the J-hook. It should release pretty easily. I'm using the Rain-X conventional blades, and I'll be putting a C24 on the driver's side and a C18 on the passenger side. Now take your new blade and slide the J-hook into the adapter until you hear or feel a click. Give it a light tug to make sure it's locked in. Then we're going to repeat the same steps on the other side. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos like these.